Natural gas is pushing up nicely and formed this bullish engulfing candle. But is it a valid candle or not, and what to expect from it? And today I'm going to talk about gold, silver and crude oil. So I'll see you guys right after the intro. Right, so as you can see, the price has broken above 20 EMA and 50 EMA, and we have a good momentum now at above 50 EMA. So at this point, if you look at it, is a valid pullback entry. I do not take it as valid entry. I know that looks valid to you, but it invalidates one of my rules. But that doesn't mean the price is bearish. It is still bullish, and I'm still waiting for a push up, pullback and continuation towards the upside. So price has now broken above the previous high, and if we have closed above this candle, then we have a very likely chance that price will continue to push up in a trend. So I will only take my entries once I see a valid pullback entry confirmation followed by pullbacks and a bullish engulfing candle. Once I see that, I'll keep you guys informed and I'll send the signal to priority members as well. So keep looking for entries. We are still bullish and price is likely to push up. Just wait for the candle to close above this high, then we have a good signal that price wants to continue to push up in a trend. Now if the price keeps on pushing up, it will hit the next level of major resistance which you need to plot on your charts, which is 2.341, goes up to 2.390, from where we will enter our sell trade. For now, until the price hit this zone, only going to take buy trades and only going to look for buying opportunities. Now I sometimes also look at the volume indicator and MACD as well. So in this case, if you see, we are soon getting a MACD cross, and also right here if you see at the volume, we also get a green volume right here and a MACD cross as well. So I'm looking at all the confluences, the cross and a new volume, which is a bullish indication as well. So that's what I'm looking at technically as well. Right here on Ovanda, exactly the same. We have the price pushing up. We have a likely chance that price will push up, make a new high and keep on pushing up until the price will hit the next level of resistance, which is 2.463, goes up to 2.487, from where we will enter our sell trade using one of the entry patterns you learn, which is bearish engulfers, double tops, pin bars. All these are my entry condition. Once we have a condition, we will enter sell from here, and for now I'm only going to look for my buy trades. I'm not selling at this point as long as price is above the both EMAs. Soon we might get a 20 EMA cross. In that case, we have a very likely chance that price will push up from here. Let's check gold. So gold is now pushing up as mentioned in my yesterday's video. Now if you're wondering if it's a valid condition, it is not a valid condition, but if you're learning my full MMTA course, as you can see, we had the entry pattern right here, the 382 candle you learn in the intermediate section, which is our 382 fib entry confirmation, and all the rules are met with this candle, and price did pushed up from here. Stop loss would be below that. So that is what my students are learning in the MMTA course. But here on YouTube, we just look for pullback entries. We do not have any sort of pullback entry, but price is still bullish and we have a likely chance that price will continue to push up. We can get few red candles hit of 20 EMA, that is very likely, and then a formation of bullish engulfer, and price will continue to push up, which is likely till 2049.15, goes up to 2066.12, from where we will enter over sell trade using one of the entry pattern bearish engulfers or pin bars. So that is it I'm looking at for gold. Right here on silver, we had a nice double top pattern, and as mentioned in my yesterday's video, we had a perfect condition. Let me show you what I've said in my last video, and we can still get a possible pullback and another push up. In that case, I will look for my double top entry pattern. If the price makes it to this zone, in that case I will look for rejection and I will take my sell trade. Awesome. So as you can see, we had our rejection zone right here. The candle did not close above the rejection zone, mean price did not want to continue to push up in a trend, and we had a nice red candle. So looking at that, price can likely push down and hit the zone below, which is 24.59, from where we can get another bounce, or we can get a push down till 50 EMA before we can get another bounce up. So I'm not buying silver. We had a nice double top pattern, and we have a likely chance that silver will push down from here at least 64 points, which is 25.02. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is nicely pushing up and now just hit the level of my resistance level which I've sent to the members already. Now if you're learning my course, if you are my priority member for quite a while now, you might have seen this type of entry pattern, which is aggressive entry. And right here, if you hover over this candle, the ATR is coming up as $1, and that was your entry candle. I just want to show you the condition as well so that you can take your trades as efficient as possible. So $1 has been pushed down, and that would be your take profit hit if you go 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio nicely. Now again, mark your rejections area like this, and once we have a push back up to this zone, we can have a likely double top pattern. In that case, we will go another long. So I just want to see a pullback, a red candle or a bearish engulfing pattern in this zone. If we have that, we are good to go. Short, if we have no condition and price breaks above this high, in that case, we have a continuation towards the upside. So keep looking for sell trade, rejection here, or break and close above, then we're gonna go long. So all we need to wait is for the condition, something like this. Once we have a condition, no one is stopping you to enter your trade. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.